Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another long day of messing around at home here. I think it's about time to get this thing in the shed before the snow finally stays. Well, I finally got the shop, with the help of my wife, clean enough to bring this tractor in here. So I can get to work on it. She says she didn't really help clean much, but every time she touched something, I had to look what she was doing with it. So then I had to do something with it. So even though she feels like she might not have helped me clean very much, she motivated me to clean just being here. So it's still a little bit of a mess, but it's far better than what it was. I had just a huge disaster over there because when I built that, I took everything off that shelf and just kind of put it wherever.
And he doesn't throw anything away.
What's wrong with that?
Pack rat.
No.
Over there.
Hey, you still talking over there?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I'll try to get after this thing here pretty soon. Going to be replacing this engine with the engine out of the burnt one. gonna keep everything else on here with this tractor, but the engine block is gonna be from the other tractor. And then I think it's missing the pumps. So that will probably have to come from the other tractor too. Well guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Take care and God bless. You wanna run them?